What's good, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, I'm going to do a review on my dash cam. So I decided to do this review because this right here happened to me.
This is where it gets interesting. That's why the choice for Hertz was interesting. And they tried to convince us that, oh, he's a Taysom Hill guy. And we've gone through this multiple times. You don't spend a second round pick on a dude who's going to play 5 snaps a game on average. You just don't. So it had to be something of looking towards the future, or Doug Peterson or the Eagles somewhere.
You gonna get all the way over in front of me?
Last year, they saw some things in Wentz that had them hesitate. And this year, all of a sudden, it's just been gone.
Yeah, you see my face? This car literally got all the way over and just got right in front of me. Didn't turn their signal light on after they already had got over. Like, come on, man. That's what we doing? I'm going to use this opportunity to make a review on my dash cam and let you all know the importance of having a dash cam. Because somebody will come out here and hit you, and when the cops come or whoever come, they be saying one thing, you be saying another thing. Can't say nothing if you got that footage. So let's get right into this. So the camera I use is the Thinkware F20. I think this one was like $200, I think. I'll go check the price and put it in the description. But yeah, it's a front and rear camera. And in the box, it comes with the little cigarette lighter plug to power it on, or you can get it hardwired. I got mine hardwired because when you do that, you unlock the parking feature. When you park your car somewhere, the camera will always be recording, the front and the rear. Extra mountain stickies for the front and the rear. This is the rear right here. So depending on whatever dash cam you use, you'll have to go to their website and see if they sell a hardwiring kit. Most likely they will, because most people want them hardwired. So that's just another option. But when you go with the cigarette lighter plug, once you turn the car off, it's off. It's only going to record when you drive it. You got your Wi-Fi button. You got your manual record button. And your micro SD card right here. Sorry guys, I ain't taking this down because the rear camera is actually stuck on the window. When you hardwire the camera, you unlock the parking features like motion detection. If someone walks in front of the car or drives by the car, on the front and the rear camera will pick it up. And when you have your car parked somewhere, and let's say someone hits it, it's gonna detect that too, and it's always gonna be recording. So hopefully no one hits you on the side, because you're not gonna be able to see it because the camera is only pointing the front and the back. Now, once you get back in your car and start it up, the camera is gonna let you know if there were any alerts.
During parking mode, motion detection recording 8 occurred.
So that right there was letting me know that there were 8.
Recording will now start.
Yeah, and it's gonna let you know when it's back recording, because you're driving now. You're gonna be driving. So what that was, I walked around the car several times, and each time I'm walking around the car, it's picking it up. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect it to the phone. What you do is press the Wi-Fi button on the back of the camera.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
I'm using my old phone. So what you do is go to your settings, go to Wi-Fi. It should come up. Yeah, it's gonna come up. Tap it. Okay, it's connected. And you go back, click on the Thinkware app right here. Click on the Thinkware app. Okay, so right here it's gonna say not connected. So you tap this, hit connect via Wi-Fi, and it's gonna, well, I've already did that, so I just hit next. Yeah, and you hear it connect. So now it's connected. So right here you got your file list, dash cam info, connection settings, and the dash cam settings. So, and also you got live view right here. So when you click on live view, it's going to display a live feed Now you can switch over to the rear. See that R at the top? You hit that R. And it's going to show the rear. So on your file list, you have your continuous recording, continuous incident, your motion detection, parking incident, manual recording, and your downloaded videos. Now when you click on one of these options, you're going to have a lot of stuff to go through. And I hate that it doesn't show you an image or show you any preview. Once you click it, it's gonna start downloading. You have the date right here and you have the time, but it's in like military time or whatever. So you just, hey, happy hunting, trying to find something. But every security system that I know of is like, even home security, I know that it's like this. You have to search through a lot of files to get whatever you're trying to look for. And then the F is for front, obviously, and the R is for rear. Or you can just hit right here and it just show you all the front footage. And then right here for the rear. So let's click on one of these and let's see. Let's click right here. So it's gonna download this. Now, not all the time it's gonna connect. So as I was sitting here parked, so right here it's recording. Okay, so right here it's gonna say not connected. So you tap this, hit connect via Wi-Fi. Yeah, so that's just a little quick clip of me talking inside the car. But once you driving, that'll be driving footage. Now on the parking incident, let me show you that. Let's just click right here. Let that download. See right there? I think that's when I closed the trunk. This thing is sensitive. You can set the sensitivity on it, but I think that was when I closed the trunk. So once you clicked on the video and it's already been downloaded, it's going to turn blue. So once it turned blue, you hit the 3 dots on the side and it's going to say export. Oh, yeah. See, export files to album, hit OK, and it says export complete. So you go to your gallery and that video is going to be right there. It records up to 720p. So I'm gonna drop a couple of clips, daytime clips, that nighttime clip from earlier. I'm gonna post that back in there, and so you can get a look at it. But in a mean-spirited city like Philadelphia, man, everything gonna burn. Yeah. All right, y'all, that's gonna be a wrap for this video. I pretty much covered everything. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Comment, let me know what you think. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel. And we out. Peace. Real quick, I forgot to mention this while I was recording the video earlier. But as you can see, the dash cam is nowhere in my view as I'm driving. When I got it installed, I had to make sure that it'd be in a good spot. Only way you'll be able to see it is if you're in the passenger side, but I mean, who cares? I can't see it when I'm over here, and that's all that matters.